Hi, this is a video to help you and learn how to use this customized template designed by Montfort Secondary School, Singapore to send customized feedback to students after they have completed a Google quiz based on learning objectives and success criteria. The whole Google Sheet template has three different worksheets. The first worksheet is basically a step-by-step guide to guide you along on how to use this template. But in this video, we will guide you with a simple demonstration. The second tab should be empty. This is a place where you will extract the Google response from Google form or Google quiz and paste it over here. Now, I'm going to paste over here a particular sample where there are 14 students who has responded to a quiz. Now, the first three columns of the template should always be the same, where it says timestamp, email address of students, and the score, followed by the number of questions that you have set for this particular template. Now, this template has been designed to be able to evaluate and access or analyze up to 40 questions. So you do not need to change anything once you have extracted from Google Quiz. You just need to copy and paste in the second sheet. Now, the text sheet is also one of the most important, allows teachers to customize the type of feedback they wish if students have done well or not so well for particular learning objectives or success criteria. The first thing that teacher must do is to key in the answer key. It could be in the form of A, B, C, D if it's a multiple choice. It could be a fill in the blank with small numbers or short phrases, depending on how the teachers have designed the Google quiz. Next, teacher must put on their pedagogical and content knowledge hat to tag each question to a specific learning objective or success criteria. For example, question 1 is tagged to LO1, learning objective 1 or success criteria 1. Question 2 to success criteria 2, so on and so forth. Perhaps question 12 to learning objective 6. And by tagging them, this first part is completed. The next part is where teacher can set the criteria to give some general feedback. For example, if student score less than 40% for a particular success criteria, the general feedback is you need more work. Between 40 to 60%, concepts could be clearer. Greater or equal to 60%, perhaps we can always change it to perhaps excellent. Now remember, every part that is in yellow are editable. Now, if teachers only want two particular, make use of two criteria, the teacher can always delete the center criteria and set it to perhaps less than 50% or equal or more greater than 50%. In this way, the feedback or analysis will be based on just two criteria, the first criteria and the last criteria. But for this demonstration, we're going to revert back to the three criteria. The next section is for teachers to fill in some general feedback, general information, Now, like for example, how many learning objective and success criteria are being tested? That will be 6. The level, the subject, the name of teacher, and the name of school. This next part is one of the most important part where teachers need to state the success criteria or learning objectives clearly. It's important for students to know what exactly they are being assessed and what is the success criteria tagged to each question and how well they have done. So teacher must state it very clearly here. And for each of the learning objective or success criteria, teacher can design the type of feedback they wish to give to the students. For example, we have listed a few types here. The first type could be directing students to a particular YouTube video or lecture. The second type could be directing students to a drill or practice Google quiz where they try more of similar questions. The third type could be directing students to a set of Google slides. The fourth type could be directing students to a computer simulation and applet where they can try hands-on and clear their concepts. And so on and so forth. Teacher can always type and explain the common misconceptions, and basically teacher can customize it based on the class needs or the subject needs. The last part over here at the bottom is where teachers can customize or design the starting paragraph of that email to students. For example, we have written here, you have recently completed assessment and please take some time to review the feedback for your own improvement. Once you have completed all the parts that are editable and you are satisfied, you can just click on the top right hand bottom, this button here that says send feedback email to students. Once you click on it, you will receive a prompt that says, do you want to send customized feedback to email to students via email? The moment you click yes, students will start receiving the email. Now, typically, students will the template will take about 50 seconds to 1 minute to evaluate and analyze 40 questions and send an email to each student. For a class of about 40 students, that will take typically about 30 minutes for the whole class to receive the email. But the good thing is this: when the teacher click on that button that say yes, the teacher's time is being freed up to do other things, because at the back end, this template will automatically generate the customized email to each student. This is a template of what the students will see. It says here, hi, so and so, the name of students who have recently completed the assessment. Please take some time to review. This is the portion where teacher can design the starting paragraph, followed by some general information, the name of school, class, students, subjects, and assessment date, and followed by the specific description of the success criteria and learning objectives and how well they have done for each of them. And for those that they have done well, the general feedback will be given. For example, this student have not done so well for the third success criteria, and perhaps the fifth one, it says you need more work. And he or she, the student, will be able to refer to the detailed feedback to learn more on how to improve of them. Perhaps the student can also work on the second one, and also the second criteria where he has got only 50%, and the general feedback to him is concept can be clearer. So students can also apply and work on this particular concept based on the suggested feedback from teachers. And with this template, we hope that teachers will be able to send customized and automated emails to students and give customized feedback so that students can benefit from it and students can know exactly which success criteria and learning objectives they need to work on and improve on it. And we hope that this template really helps you, saves more time, and help you elevate your T&L. Thank you, and hope you give it a try. Thank you.